Hi, you guys, and welcome back to Cosmic Tea Tarot, where I, your girl Joe, like to sit up here and spill the cosmic tea. Hi, I'm your girl Joe. I am your favorite vibes dealer. If you're new, then you don't have a favorite vibes dealer, so I'm sure I'm it. So, as you guys can see from the title, I am here to talk about my social media and parallel universe theory. Now, again, these are only theories. I even brought my notes and my glasses, so I look like I'm smart and telling you something. Maybe it'll make you feel better. I don't know, but I'm here for it. Sorry, my lashes keep getting stuck on it. So, anyways, let's get into what I consider my social media and parallel universe theory. So, if you are new, I would like to introduce myself as Joe, your favorite vibes dealer. I would like to think of myself as the preschool teacher of the spiritual world. So I like to really break down the concept of words, terms, things that I feel like I am using and other people are using inside the spiritual community, that if you are started on your spiritual journey, you may not know what the hell we're talking about, don't have a clue, need a visual, a better understanding. I'm here to do it for you, okay? And so this is a place where I would like to, I guess, break down the parallel universe, or give you guys an analogy. There we go. Give you guys an analogy for the parallel universe if you do not understand it. So, the analogy that I understand it as, that was given to moi, is a parallel universe is like you guys being on Instagram with multiple pages. Okay, follow with me. Might get a little messy. Now, the way I equate it or understand it is like this. There are parallel universes, right? So I live in Oakland, California. And even though I've lived in Oakland, California for over 15 years, there are people that I still have not ran into. They have not come into my realm, and vice versa. I have not come into the realm of knowledge. And so that is a definition of a parallel universe, or at least the way I'm understanding it. Now, how could that be? We're all on planet Earth. We are all in Oakland. How do we live in the same place, same time zone, and still just parallelly move along the planet? So my understanding is just like this. Imagine that you had a cell phone. Not hard, right? See? And on this cell phone, you are getting ready to set up an IG account. But in this case, you're getting ready to set up 2 or 3 IG accounts. Okay? Follow along with me. Now, in one IG account, you only follow and allow to follow you people from the sports community. Okay? On your second page, you only follow and allow to follow you people of the political realm. And lastly, on the third page, you have and only allow, you follow and only allow people to follow you who, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Who are in the sexual realm. So you are looking at over sexualized people and allowing them to follow you on the third page. So you got it? There's 1, 2, 3 pages. On one of the pages, you only follow sports people and allow sports people to follow you. On the second page, you only follow political people and allow political people to follow you. And on the third page, you are highly into over sexualized content. So naked men, naked women, you are only following them and allow them to follow you. Now stick along with me. Most people in their space, in their time, are like that, right? If you are a Black person who is heavily Black like yourself, you usually surround yourself with Black news, Black influences, Black media, Black things like that. If you are a political person, you are talking about, thinking about, focused on political views. If you are really into sports, you are usually very focused into sports. Now, not always, there's always an exception to the rule, but in most cases, we as humans operate like that. So, because we operated in that narrow-minded realm, and that's how these pages are set up. So, my understanding is in each one of these pages, it doesn't matter which page you take, they will have 3 side effects. One side effect will be it will have you feeling different. Okay, so the over sexualized page could have you feeling horny, right? Really wanting sex. The political page could have you feeling angry because your political party is being slighted, or you feel like your political party is being slighted. The third page, on the sports page, you could feel like really just ecstatic, right? Because your team is winning. These pages affect how you feel. So these alternate or parallel universes affect how you feel, and your energy, your energetic body, and your physical body. The second effect that being in this parallel universe or on this specific IG page can do is that they can, sorry, I got my notes. Oh, you get different engagement on each page. So maybe on the over sexualized page, you engage by sending nudes. You feel me? Work with the analogy, y'all. Maybe in the political world, you end up sending, you engage with people aggressively because they don't see your political views. And same with the sports page. Okay. And then the third way I feel like being in your own parallel universe or on your own social media page can affect you is it invites you to respond to everything very, very different. So an analogy, an example of this on the sexualized page, or the over sexualized page, is that very extreme case, you can be overly sexually aggressive, right? Or underly sexually dormant, right? You can't have sex in the real world. On the political page, you could respond to every conversation, every person with political questions. You could be basing your likes of people, your level of like the people, off your political feeling or affiliation with them. And the same thing on the sports page. So I hope you guys were able to follow that for me. That was a weird theory analogy on how social media and parallel universes or alternate universes, parallel universes, how they work. The visual concept of it, I guess that's what I was trying to do, is give you a visual concept. If that was hard to follow, my bad, y'all. My bad. I'm new at this. Be kind, be gentle. If you followed that, leave information down below on how you are getting the information or how you process that. I would love to hear from you guys. In the meantime, in between time, love yourself, baby. You got to love yourself. Why? Because self-love is going to save you every motherfucking time.